for CNC, money bank. CNC Summer Bash. I am ready for CNC money bank. As you see, that money in the bank briefcase. Right there. Yes, right there. Just got phenomenal, dangerous words in WWE history. RKO. Welcome to CNC Road to Money Bank Night 2 as we get ready and to see what will happen tonight. I hear voices in my head, answer me. Here comes the Viper and Jordan. Got your rules, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome the Viper, Randy Orton. Got your rules and your religion, all designed to keep you safe. But one rule that's getting broken, used raw night. Says already on last night. Announced Styles Orton at CNC. Money in the bank wearing AJ's gear. I hear voices crying. I see heroes dying. I taste blood that's drying. I feel tension rising. I hear voices in my head. They counsel me. They talk to me. They talk to me, yeah. They tell me things that I feel too. They show me things. We are here into the Cincinnati, Ohio. Yeah. Welcome to CNC. Yeah. If you don't know, I'm the Apex Player, the Viper, Randy Orton. And last night in Green Bay, I will, and on August 31st, I will face the phenomenal one, AJ Styles. The phenomenal one who thinks he's phenomenal, but I went into the locker room and stole this very t-shirt. Yeah, he thinks he's so smart. So smart. But the Viper, Randy Orton is the Apex Predator. And I decided to face the phenomenal one AJ Styles and win the undisputed WWE Championship. And nope, they don't want none. Nope, they don't want none. Look again. Well, things just got what they call phenomenal. You could be next. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the undisputed. Alright. You think you can go to my locker room and steal my gear, Randy Orton? I mean, it was unlocked. Okay, I have something for you. A God title shot right to the face. And now, AJ. Oh my. And now, AJ and Randy are gonna go at it. AJ. Oh my God. Forearms. This is out. This is out of control. This is out. Randy. Now, AJ. Take it in. Oh my God. Oh my. Give me that back. I was still with that CM Punk Randy though. Brawl between Randy and Styles. Oh my. Randy Orton. Look at that RKO once again. Styles. He ducks it. RKO. From the phenomenal one. Wow. How about we add something to our undisputed WWE Championship match? It will be a ladder match. Oh my God. AJ Styles versus Randy Orton in a ladder match. Next. What will happen next? We'll see on CNC. Hey yo! Dun, 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 dun. Humble. How can I be so good looking, so humble? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Maverick Logan Paul. Humble. I can't be this. I'm still humble. Well, I want to say the commentators, what are you doing? Not announcing. Look at that. KSI Brown Law. I show Speed Prime and this YouTuber Ryan Tran Joyride, whatever, bro. Joyride sucks. Prime is way better than anything ever, bro. It is just way better than Joyride. All that good stuff. Dun dun. Oh my God! Dun dun. Oh. John Cena sucks. John Cena sucks. John Cena, your time is up. My time is now. You can't see me. My time. I'm still hard, knock your shell on. Want to step back because I can't tell my swell on. Oh my God, Cena's here. I told ya. And I say I need a fight. And I'm throwing all your jumps like a thunder. In jail, smarts and sales, competition. Got the whole block. Go my division and go fishing. So, Dun 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 dun. Well, his tag team partner, who's also in the ladder match, Jadu, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jabru McIntyre. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Burn it down. Dun 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 dun. Well, nobody got to talk yet. Whoa. 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 Ha. Whoa. Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome in real life the 2025 Master Money in the Bank. Seth freaking Riley. Whoa. Dun dun. Whoa. Whoa. Ha. Whoa. Whoa. Dun, dun, dun. Look at my, oh my God. What do you see? A cult of personality. I know you're in there. I know your dreams. Say I'm poking in the old TV. Oh, I have a cult of personality. A cult of personality. A cult of personality. You have to view all our prime bladders there, prime. And I'm anything you wanna be. Look at this circle, called a personality, called a personality, called a personality. Well, the only person we're missing is dun 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 do 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 da 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 da. Oh, TC won. Let's get it going, huh? Wait, what's happening? Oh my God, they're gonna brawl. They're starting to brawl. Here we go. We're not waiting for the man. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh, inside. Oh no. Here it comes. Oh, the chaos. The chaos is this is no. Here comes Reigns. Stay from Reigns. Paul. My God. Logan Paul's Heaveners Power Bomb. They are not gonna wait until Money in the Bank to get started. Rollins taken out with the, my goodness. Reigns Superman punch. McIntyre. Oh my God, taking out Rollins. Can everyone get all this? Reigns has Punk up. The joyride thing falls down, and oh my God, a suplex from the OTC one. Roman Reigns. This is just insane. Well, Logan Paul is gonna get more insane. Roman, watch out! Oh my God! Logan Paul, The heavens, oh my goodness, taking out John Cena. McIntyre, Claymore connects. Claymore connects. Let me just cover the camera. Can't see anything. Oh my goodness. Drew McIntyre. He's trying to. Oh my god, John Cena. Cena, they're on the ladders. Oh my god, there's a table as well. Oh my goodness. Get the medics. Get the medics. Rollins and Reigns. Stop. Oh my goodness. Punk and Paul are going to go at it. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, the ladders. Oh my goodness. The chaos is insane before Money in the Bank. All right, we are back. The chaos is still there. We're gonna zoom into the chaos that just unfolded. Oh my goodness. It's insane right now. We are LA night. Oh yeah, the megastar is here. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome LA Knight. LA Knight is here to lay down this back. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Well, Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens, yes, Kevin Owens is there. Kevin Owens is here. Where's Cody Rhodes? I don't even know where Cody Rhodes is. Kevin, how about this? If he comes out here, a triple threat match. LA Knight, Kevin Owens, and Cody Rhodes, and then we can beat him. Oh my god, it's Cody Rhodes! Taking out everybody! Cody Rhodes is here. This was quick. God, oh. Goodness. Cody. Cody Rhodes is here. Oh my god. Crossroads. You guys want a triple threat match? Does Cleveland, Ohio want to, Cincinnati, Ohio want a match? Yeah. Cody, Kevin, LA, triple threat at CNC. Money in the Bank. One away and show night 2. Stay tuned for night 3. Oh my goodness.